Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of crispy double fried spicy garlic shrimp. Let's dive right in. First, let's prep those succulent shrimp. Toss them in a flavorful mix of light soy sauce, cooking wine, ground ginger, and a dash of white pepper. Let them soak up that goodness for about an hour. Now, give those marinated shrimp a light coat of cornstarch. They'll love it. Heat up some oil in a pan and in goes the shrimp. Fry them up for a quick 2 minutes. Then pull them out. But wait, we're not done yet. Back into the hot oil they go for another 2 minutes. Drain off any excess oil. While our shrimp work their magic, let's get spicy. Finely chop the longhorn pepper and mince that garlic. In a pan, sizzle them up in some oil along with chili pepper and panko. Oh, that aroma! Time to reintroduce our perfectly fried shrimp into this fragrant mix. Season with a touch of salt and more white pepper. Give it all a good toss and voila, our crispy double fried spicy garlic shrimp is ready to delight your taste buds. Give this recipe a whirl and I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you next time.